Din ko mabukog ka karon din.
Init, init.
Init, oh. Ang baringon, tsaka yung bulad. Maniobdotan nyo, tita. Anong ulam nyo dyan? Ang sa akin, kalabasa. Tapos may sweet corn na kinkis-kis. Kinkid-kid. Tapos yung replacement natin sa ating karlang or yung palawan. Since wala man kami nito dito, ginamit ko na lang yung ano ganang spuds gani sa aton. Ang ginalagay pala sa ano gani ang pangalan sini bigat lang eh. Ano gani pangalan sini? Ang ginabutang pala sa mga kaldereta te. Patatas! Tunsun ka mga patatas ka. Patatas, tapos may frozen tayo na okra. Tapos yung ating kamote tops. Okay. Wala na siyang subak-subak, tita, kaya wala na kami nakaprito ng isda. Tingnan nyo, yan o. Di ba fresco lang siya? Half cook lang. Para maganda ang sabaw natin. Plan ko na yan. Super sarap na yan siya. Tapos, dito, doon tayo sa labas magkain. Dito natin siya ilagay yung sabaw para may halang-halang. Ilawan ko din. Suabe. Perfect. So, alright, tita, dito kami magkain sa labas. Kaya nagprito kami ng baringon, tsaka yung bulad. Andito kasi si daddy, wala siyang work. So, dito kami magkain sa labas eh. Tabaghak na naman. Paubos na yung aking tabaghak, tita. Kaya ubusin na natin. Tapos hindi na tayo magbili, ha? Tingnan yung gulay ko. Very colorful. Yellow, yellow. Pero, okay na yan kasi wala ang gulay. Ayan kaya straight. Dali na! Eat na ding! Kakarating na ni ate from... Get the rice in the microwave, dal. Nag-init ko sa rice.
Corn?
Corn. Higup na sa dali. Init. Kawa na tayo, tita.
Yummy. God, this is gonna taste it too. Okay.
Careful sa bukog, biha. Hindi mag-touch ang buhok mo. Kaya nang tandog ka sa bulad, ba? Nating yung bulad. Dali na, te.
Init.
Init, oh. Fresco. Kinapoy ako, tita. Nag-work ako today. Saw-saw ang tabagha sa sige.
Does it taste good? Yes, Bert.
Is it?
Yes, Bert. I did not have a sip of liquid for the whole day. Well, not really. My friend Eva and Annabelle let me have a sip of their water bottle. I did. Yeah. Did you say please? Yeah, I did. Well, they saw how thirsty I was, and so they lended.
Why didn't you have some water with you?
Oh, I had it, but then when I got out of the car, I did not realize that my water bottle was missing.
No.
No, I'm serious. I thought I left it in
Nak,
that.
may sili na ng gali, nak.
Oh,
Go grab the one in the pot. Come on.
I just had this in here.
It's not spicy anywhere.
Okay.
Higup, ah. Eat the kalabasa na. The
Guys,
yellow one.
I'm good.
Ang sarap-sarap ang gulay, tita, ah. Very remis ang sabaw. Very nice.
Ay, guapa, guapa, guapa.
Eh, makapagwapa ka ng gulay, bina.
Shoot, shoot, fly.
Careful with the bukog, ha.
Yep. Bukog.
Try pala ito sabaw na. It's not that spicy, ha.
Okay.
Eh, spicy hindi.
Oh, corn. Here we go. I love corn, Mama.
We don't have any vegetables, so I put corn in it. And corn is very nice. When we were younger, we used to have that.
I like corn.
Corn, and then tugabang, and ukaka, and then karlang.
I am guapa. Guapa.
Just your mouth when you're chewing, please. There's na one more there. Careful sa namang bulad yan. Bago na nag-uwi galing ng school si ate, no? Bali, early out sila today. Ay end of the school term. So may 2 weeks sila na bakasyon. Kaya dapat ang out nila na 320 naging 220, no? So gutom si ate. Later na mag-drinks gani na. Eat first.
Mom, I'm really thirsty. That's why I got Sprite. Because I didn't have a sip of water, my own water, for the whole day.
Well, whose fault is that?
Not mine. It's my brain's fault.
Can you get some more
Yeah.
sabaw, David?
Brain fault?
Can you put everything in the one in the pot? That's gurayan, Bi.
It's like mini bakog.
It's not mini bukog, it's gurayan. Small na
Fish. Is that a school?
Yeah, nice yun. It's gurayan, sana ginakaon na siya.
Poor school. What school? But I don't care.
Nice.
I'm so excited to sleep in every night.
If you don't eat ganit gulay, you can go home to the Philippines. You can see nanay there. Baka nagtaka kayo bakit may pot sa aming lamisa. Yan, oh. Inoccupy na ng mga bigatlan yung aming lamisa sa labas. Mga tanim-tanim yan dyan, te. Yan. Yan yung aking isa. Ito din. Yan yung aming pagkuhan ng bulad dyan. Dito lang kami nakakain sa kilid.
Guys,
Ubusan ng gulay din na mo.
wait, Mom. I need Mom's fun.
Ay, kilawon. Ganito lang langang.
Guys, if you want me strong, that means you can go to Philippines. Pick a guess. You want McDonald's or healthy? Which one do you pick?
Healthy.
McDonald's. Apple.
Si ate, bala, ginaguba niya bala ang
Guys,
mga
they
niya.
have apples at McDonald's. You're wearing it.
Mait na healthy, pero kaya
Can I
pulit
try
sa
again?
Philippines. Hindi ka kapulit.
Can I have some